I'm Perla Shaheen at the new Dixon Trail development in Escondido. This neighborhood is a window into the future of fire-resilient homes, with special features that could prevent the spread of wildfires. A 5-foot empty buffer zone around every home with metal fencing at the edge. Concrete roofs, gutters and vents covered by wire mesh, and stucco details around dual-pane tempered windows.
It's important for California because we live in a wildfire-prone environment.
Steve Ruffner works with KB Home. The national developer is halfway through building this community in Escondido called Dixon Trail. All 65 homes are meant to be wildfire resilient.
You have a fire nearby, when those embers flow, they'll come into this subdivision and they won't be able to ignite the homes, which will give the fire department a real step up on what they have to defend.
It's a concept at the front of Californians' thoughts since January's firestorms in Los Angeles sparked concern among homeowners. Ruffner believes San Diegans in fire-prone areas should adopt these features in their own homes.
Frankly, this can be done at a reasonable price. And if you live in an area where you could be impacted like this, you can do a lot of this stuff to your home.
That could result in discounted home insurance rates. The California Department of Insurance now requires companies to offer discounts to homeowners who harden their properties against fire damage.
We interact with the insurance companies fairly often, and this is what they're recommending that customers do to give themselves a chance in the case of a wildfire.
So the next time fire chews through Chaparral and surrounding hills, this neighborhood can keep the flames at bay. Perla Shaheen, ABC 10 News.